Hey, what's up, Berritos, and welcome to another video. Now, today I'm going to be talking about the Jamaican movie that is called Sprinter. Now, the movie was released last year, but they got the premiere and beer things. But it's because of 2020 and in the middle of all of the devastation and all of the crosses that the year has presented, it is nice that we can now reflect and celebrate the fact that Sprinter is now on Netflix. That means setting at everybody home. Everybody have access to the movie, unlike last year. And so but decided say I'm going to do a little review and talk about it and show you some of the highlights from when we got here, go watch it with the cast. And yeah, so let's get into the video. What? So recently I saw the announcement that it is going to be going on Netflix, and I watched it like last night, and trust me, I enjoyed the movie all over again. This is a well, we're not gonna say a classic Jamaican type of movie. This is a film that is really about like a teenager, 17-year-old Akeem, who has his eyes on becoming a sprint star. He has to overcome like issues as it relates to his brother, emotional issues, with his mother and father. All of that while living the regular teenage life. And yeah, it's a nice story. I'm glad to never follow the same old Jamaican shoot up type of scenario.
It's Akeem Sharp who's now in front.
So what did I like about the movie? I think I like pretty much a lot of the things about the movie. I like that the movie felt very authentically Jamaican. In not so much of a watered down sort of way. It felt pure. It felt like I wasn't trying to watch what it meant to be Jamaican through an outsider's lens. It felt very true to the culture of Jamaica. And so I know that there are a lot of athletes, a lot of track people who can relate to the sort of happenings that go on in the movie. One of my favorite scenes, and I'm sure it's your favorite scene too, is the grill scene.
It was Stacy. What's happening? Nothing.
Ellie Diviner's, I guess that's his first sex scene on camera, and I wanted to take away them from the show right about now. Ellie Diviner actually on Twitter is called the Grill Master. That's the only thing that anybody is talking calling him these days. If you never watch the movie, then you miss out on the particular scene there. Just go and watch it. It is on Netflix. I like that they were talking about the issues about scamming. That is a central theme in the movie, and the difficulties and the crime and the criminal activities that can come with that. There were so many Jamaican talented actors in there. Kenzik, who played the big brother to Dale's character that is called Akeem. You had Chantal, she was the close friend, the female in the track camp. Dana Royal, we're gonna talk about the YouTubers, them, the content creators, them are in there. There's Dana Royal, Life of a King, that they play one of the scammer them. Fat Skull was in there as well. Who else am I forgetting? Of course, you have Dale, you have Prince Pine. Prince Pine was in the movie, so I mean, it is just so cool. Triple X was in the movie. If you miss him, he was the security out at the front of the Norman Manley airport. And there's just so many creatives.
Special shout out to Prince Pine. We're showing you guys that social media comedians actually have talent. So this is Prince Pine. I'm shouting out to Valomore, Duttyberry, Dino Crazy. We're here. I'm just saying that you guys should come and get us, because we can do good work.
And I'm just so proud to just see a production like this, and the director Storm, he did an excellent job. Like to see homegrown talent like this, it made me really feel proud to be Jamaican. I know that we can rise to the occasion in terms of visually presenting our culture in a way that looks very international. Like it doesn't look like I want to look a bitch up something. The finished product look like something that you can stand by and say, yo man, this has an international finish. And I really respect that, and I appreciate that about the film. Sakina there, she was in there as well. I don't know who else may I leave out. Even Andrew Holness, Mr. Brogard, him they have a little cameo in the movie as well. Just so many Jamaican people were there, and it was definitely a good sort of vibe. And there's a scene where Usain Bolt, he made an appearance. I like that scene as well, where him and Dale's character Akeem did a little reasoning that was nice and kind of touching. To see that we could have pulled on somebody like that, a big star like that, little old Jamaica, we have a big star like that can just drop in our film like this. Is another theme in the movie that was also good is the whole barrel pitney theme, where you have Akeem's character, his mother is abroad, and he has to be living with his father, and he communicates with his mother for over 10 years just through Skype, and the difficulties that come with that, and I think the movie did a good job bringing that issue to the forefront.
Love the film, them embrace it. They understand, especially because of the immigration thing that's going on. This is a barrel pitney story. I'm a barrel pitney. Most of you are barrel pitney. Your mother have to travel because, she have to go work and send back money. So you get the little things at summertime and Christmas time. It's a lot of our stories, and that's why people resonate with the story. But just to be here and experience an authentic Jamaican film with an
DeMarco, you can't act. You're in the movie, I tell you, you surprised me. The acting thing that you did go on. Big up yourself, DeMarco. Of course, who else did I really like? I like Chantal character a lot. Just a little, little face, the little bright girl, like. Because everybody can relate to when you go to school, you always have the one girl that like she have her head on her body and she's not like the regular girl but she just have whole heap of attitude where come with that. She just kind of miserable and kind of, grumpy more well. I liked that character. I liked Mira. Character, that's the girl with, Dale love interest in the movie. You see the little look in her eye where she just look like she bad and she original. Alright, so I'm here with Shakira. She played Mira in the movie, one of Dale's love interest. What love interest? Okay. What? Yes. What was it like working on a film your first time?
I know this is going to sound cliche, but it was legitimately an honor. It was incredible to work with the people I worked with, and just the opportunity that was presented was amazing. And then to have it come to life.
Yes.
You see the script and then
to
see it on a freaking screen. It's like, oh my fucking god.
Yeah.
But it was awesome.
So you definitely catch the acting bug now. So you feel like you actually want to be.
I always had the acting.
From school.
I literally wanted to be an actor my entire life.
It should be noted though that many people don't even know, originally Kenzie, the person who played the big brother, he should have been the sprinter. But somehow in the whole production there was a whole switcheroo, and Ellie Diviner, he ended up getting the role of the lead, and at the premiere he spoke about it. Both of them spoke about it, so you can just breathe.
It's kind of fascinating. It's one of the greatest things, and I'll tell it and you can kind of pick up on it. But the interesting thing is, Dale was one of I had cast Chantal. Him was supposed to play the sprinter the first time, right? Mm-hmm. From when we started with the idea, you can tell him what we had to do.
Yeah, greetings everybody, how you feeling? If you love sprinter, just scream one time, please. Alright, we can't sleep good tonight, but alright now, so back in 2014, 15, them time there, Sam linked me right after I get the Prime Minister award and said to me, say, yo, I worked on a project, and I said, yeah? I say, yeah, I'm on your feet, and I say, alright then, cool, I never know what I go on, I never know how it ever work out, I just blindly walk into it, and I say, yeah, I'm gonna deal with it. And Storm say, alright then, cool, I go, shoot this, shoot that, but you are going, we'll have some beard, we have a little stubble, mouth stash and thing, I forgot get rid of that. So I say, alright, cool, I'm gonna get rid of it. Him say, if I place someone can care if I get rid of it, I say, alright, cool. And him carry me on one place, but it's a hot wax place. It's not a regular barber, it's a hot wax place. See, Brazilian, hot wax for my face, rip it right off of my face. You want to see the lady while she do it, she skin off her word, and so one of them shall enjoy this. I don't feel good about this, but anyway. That was part of the process that will happen like 3 times. You know what I mean? The key and piece, I run up and down. Just the whole process we get it done was, you know what I mean? All I could have offered to the process was my enthusiasm, you know what I mean? I couldn't give him anything else. You know, I couldn't see where it was going, but it just happened. Guys, it just did. Zane, I want to know for big it up. Zane, I want to know for really carry it into the next millennium. I want everybody to feel what I want with Caribbean cinema right now. Please, guys.
And I even caught up with the father in the film. His name is Dennis Titus, and I'm sure they know him from Wolipa Productions. He was in there and he did a good job as well. You had Glenn Titus Campbell. He was playing one of the police officers, the investigators.
You're a dangerous path. No man can outrun.
The person who played the coach, David Alan Greer, that's his name. The accent never too, you know, but it wasn't awful. Like, I actually liked it because it did sound Caribbean and kind of true to that, and so that never really, you know, affected me.
Akeem, there's no shortcut. Not in track and field.
And the mother character now, Jesus Prima, forget the woman's name, but I know her from the show there. Any day now, and you'll be on your way. Boy.
And you'll be on your way. In my wild, beautiful world, you will have flown.
Whoa, vocals just kind of born. But you know me, I thought this is the long time show there. Who they have TVG and CVM, you might know it.
Are you sure you want to do this?
I'm going to America to help our family.
Found Miss World, I think 2017. Dr. Sanita Mary, she was in there as well. She played the father's girlfriend.
Miss Pam, have the name Sister. Jesus Christ, Sister Pam.
Yeah. Oh, and also there was the Empire actor by the name of Brashear Gray. Yeah, I think that's his name. He was in the movie and he was playing an American athlete, competitor to Dale Elliott's character, Akeem. Yeah, I mean, all in all, I really do think that, you know, Sprinter is a good movie. It is a good movie to represent Jamaica in a very authentic way. And once again, I cannot stress enough the importance of putting a lot of emphasis on, not emphasis, a lot of value on the creatives and the talent that we have on this small island. There are so many talented people. I'm not just people in terms of in front of the camera, but I have talent, local talent like Storm Salter. He's the director for the movie. He's the person who, you know, set up everything for making it look like how it look, and he was able to put together like a really good cast, a good team of young people and experienced individuals. All people who are committed to ensuring that Jamaica has good representation in the film industry. And so kudos to them, and I can't wait to see more productions from Storm and to see what the cast has up their sleeve in other works that I'm sure they're going to be getting because of this Netflix moment and this deal with Will and Jada production company. Will it more in store for the cast, and all I can say is just, yeah, I give the movie like an 8 out of 10. I really enjoy the movie. Anything I never like it did negligible, because you know a Jamaican production, so I can support it regardless. But the movie is a good watch. So I encourage the readers to go to Netflix. If you don't have a Netflix, borrow somebody account, then you get them to sign in and you go in there and you watch the movie Sprinter. Okay, you're not gonna be disappointed. If you enjoyed this little recap video, let me know in the comments down below. Also, you know, give me the thumbs up. And to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Let me know what was your favorite part of the movie down below. Me don't say the grill scene already, but nobody, me don't want to know if you say the same thing. You know, kind of can, you know, say some little other things as well. Alright, so take care until the next time when I feel like I want to talk about just something random. Peace out.